are you here to shop?
Money.
Money? What's everybody? They're all left.
Oh, what is that? That's an apple.
Apple? Nanny, can you push her? Come on here. Okay. For my wheels. Here, get some light. Oh, good. Can't go without. We'll go without me. Okay, so that's 8 total, right? 2, 9, Okay, and then let's go this way. We can go get some more stuff. Look here. What are you doing? You got your candy? Show it to me. Can you show it? It's Harry Potter. Let's go check on pineapples. Right there. Right there.
I got these.
I'm gonna go get some ginger.
What is she doing?
That's just for
Mima, what are you doing? Tomatoes?
Let's put it back. That's not apple. That's
Baby,
tomato.
are you okay?
Should have stayed home.
I think he's hungry. Oh, baby, you're okay, yeah. Maybe this one.
We should go to the
Okay, and which one? This two, which one? Or maybe this one. I'm asking you.
What about this one?
The yellow one. I want the more golden yellow.
Oh, at the bottom?
Yeah.
Let's see this one. What about this one? No, she don't.
Maybe the middle
This one. Oh.
One that one.
Let's do this one.
Let's pick the middle one. Okay, and then let's go get some ginger.
Honey, go do your job.
Minnie, I don't know where to. Right there, ginger.
I didn't even have to go that far.
Right. Alright. go first. Go first.
Huh?
Go.
Oh.
Should we get this apple? This? No. This. That one. Okay, Aaron, you can grab that one. Yeah. That one. Is it your birthday?
No, it's a cake.
It's a cake? Okay.
Yeah. I want a cake.
It's a cake.
You seen this on YouTube?
Yeah, it's going to my YouTube channel. Finally,
Oh
watermelon.
God. Let's get the smaller size.
I don't know if they're good watermelon.
This one sounds a little
Hollow?
Can we get this? I can easily.
Papaya. Papaya.
Can we get this?
That's what Thailand.
What about banana? Another one is a banana.
Yeah, we can go to banana.
Aloe vera. Mom, remember when you got this?
Mango.
Aloe vera.
I know. Alabama.
You should get it again, you know.
Yeah. Aaron,
opened
get
it.
obey and grab this four mangoes right here. Mango.
That's like, I don't understand how to do it. If it sounds aloe and it has a big yellow spot, then I'm like,
I'll put it in. I'll put it in.
Mom literally is doing this.
I think that's it.
That's it.
Yeah, the more yellow it's okay. That's it. Orange, lime. And then orange. Hollows. Okay, oh, this one is not good. Yeah, what? Okay, let's go. Let's go.
And let's go now. I can't. Somebody has to.
Julia, we're going this way. Okay, push the car down this way. Banana. Banana, let's get some banana.
Let's get this. Mom,
There's more watermelon.
Mom, look, it's a cute banana. Show it to them.
Oh, put it right there. I need a bay. Yeah. Give me a bay.
You get it.
Give me a bay. Let's bay. Aaron, can you grab a bay? Maybe we can get some from the box here. Get some yellow and get some greens.
What's the one that only has spider?
Okay, there's this one here. Oh, this one? Nope, this one. The other banana. Yeah. that should be enough.
Mama. Oh,
This is the Gucci. Look, I got 2 bags. One's Melanie's and one's mine. Put that back on. It's gonna show for empty. I don't put it back on. I don't show for empty. Put it back on. It's cold. It's cold. Oh, are we gonna get watermelon?
Oh, you guys want watermelon?
We should do this one.
This one? Are you sure?
I hope.
What about that one? Let's see that one right there.
No, she needs a bigger
What
yellow
about
spot.
that one? Yeah, maybe that one.
This one. Its spot is still small.
I know, but it's darker and have more leaves.
It sounds dense.
This one?
That's the one I
Here.
Mommy, I want to go
Is
with
it that one more hollow?
this one.
Maybe this one. 都好多內呢同你哋啲猜名啊。
Yeah. Which one is this one? What's the one I see?
Yeah, that one.
At the bottom?
The bottom, yeah. Like the level, the first level. No, it will not roll.
Cheesecake is better. Which one has more value?
Which one, Julia? Pick your cheesecake.
Which one?
There's a story.
Yeah.
So there's this one time when I first tried cheesecake. It was at Aldi's.
You know,
When we went to Aldi's, I was really excited to try it. So I opened it in the store, and when we were getting out after we paid, I fell on the ground and my cheesecake fell on the ground.
yeah, her cheesecake. That's the story of Julia.
I thought
Okay, Melanie, let's go.
Guys are getting me mad. Get out of the way. Where are we going?
Oh, let's go down. Let's go get water.
Scooter?
Yeah, water. Go straight. Go straight. Follow. Money, come back here.
I hope the steam break.
Look at where they're overloaded.
Come on, let's go this way. Dina.
Beat me. Mom, beat me.
What's that?
It's chocolate ice cream. But it's not ice cream. It's like a wafer.
Minnie, you can have the bay,
Oh,
the pink bay, down here.
no, they don't have the bag.
No more?
No more.
You get your own.
Where did Catherine and Dina go?
I've been wanting that one. The blue one.
Daddy?
Oh, blueberry.
Should I get strawberry?
Yeah.
No bag.
Maybe you like strawberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry and berry.
I should start my own YouTube channel.